when all is said and done, this app eliminates the need to touch a computer while installing your sideloaded apps. Last time we talked about sideloading with an iPhone, we used an app called Sideloadly. It constantly needs the connection of either a Mac or a PC with Apple devices or iTunes. But then what if you could directly sideload to your iPhone without having to involve a computer or even touch one at all? I recently came across something called Flex Store. To be very transparent, the team behind it sponsored the video and paid me to talk about the app, but every single take I'm giving is directly from my heart and how the app made me feel after I tried it out. Flex Store, it's a web app that you can install directly from Safari with a few clicks straight up to your iPhone's home screen. In the web app, you have to add your device, it will download a profile, then you go to settings and install it, and as soon as you do that, your device and its ID would be inside Flex Store, ready to roll. Inside Flex Store, to be able to sideload and sign those apps, you need to either utilize your Apple developer certificate if you have paid, or if you subscribe to that $99 yearly service for the developers, or you'd have to purchase or subscribe to a service on Flex Store that gives you premium access and also certificate sign in and app sign in for as long as your subscription goes. Since I have access to the premium already, I've tried it out firsthand and I can tell you that it works like a charm. Just simply pick an app, cracked or otherwise, then click the sign button and allow the installation to take place, grant all the allow install request that your phone would spring up on you. As soon as you do that, of course, the app would download and run instantly. That's after you try it to run and initially fails, and then you have to go to settings, privacy and security, scroll to the bottom and turn on developer mode. Yeah, you'd need that to run sideloaded apps. I have already tried a couple of sideloaded apps and some games and some cracky things I should not be trying, and they all worked easily. Yeah, the games even come with a custom menu that lets you access different kind of modes to either turn your character to a Superman or invincible. Basically, it makes my iPhone feel like an Android device from 2011 with Game Guardian installed. Who knows Game Guardian? Tell me in the comments. As a professional tech YouTuber, I can tell you that it's worth it. Yeah, it's something I would definitely subscribe to if I sideload a lot and if I want to try out all those cracky features and cracky games and other apps that are in the Flex Store. I mean, my experience with Sideloadly, I think it's quite annoying having to first go on the internet and look for an IPA file that would work. Yeah, because some of them don't work. Some of them, the mods that they claim they are modded, don't even come up. It's quite a hassle anyway. Yeah, but thanks to Flex Store, you don't have to worry about all that. Also, we have that situation where the Mac and the iPhone have to stay close by for Sideloadly to refresh the app every 7 days. I will say though, you can stick with Sideloadly and its method if you're just trying out sideloading on an iPhone for like the first time and you know it's not really something that you care much about using frequently. But I'll say if you use it frequently and you want to use it on the go without having to worry about any desktop or connection to any computer, then Flex Store is a very decent option from what I've seen so far. Anyways, that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts, and iHaadi out.